Do you know about jackfruit? What is our national food? Hello everybody. I hope you are all doing fantastic. I'm doing great. It's me Shakil in front of you. I'm going to describe a jackfruit. And this is the jackfruit tree. I'm under the tree. And this is the jackfruit. It is a very big fruit and it is a very sweet. It is a vitamin in our healthy and to many people's love to jackfruit and to because and to the many farmers in collect in summer and jackfruit is a very sweet healthy food and to we are making in this video and I love to share a video jackfruit and to jackfruit is very important in our life and to dear brothers and sisters this line mistake and to you love to making this video and I love to making blog video and to I showing up a growing is jackfruit and to it is a very long type tree and to I am making this video and dear brother and sister you think mind is set up and if you want to fluently is speaker and English is very important in our life and you love to make this video tell me comments yes or no don't forget it like comment and dear brothers and share to everybody okay that's all today for the time being.